Hey everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2024 Ram 1500 in the Laramie trim. With just under 20,000 miles, this crew cab pickup truck is equipped with a 5.7 liter V8 engine. It is four-wheel drive. It does have one minor on the CARFAX with one previous owner. In the front, you will find this Ram well equipped with high-intensity headlights and chrome grille stylings here in the front. And coming around to the wheel and tire setup, you'll have an 18-inch alloy wheel wrapped up in a like new tire. And we'll get to the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside, you'll enjoy nice features like chrome mirror caps here with turn signal indicators integrated right into your mirror cap, followed up with passive door entry and heated mirrors. Looking inside, you'll be met with a black on black theme here with nice elements such as leather, off-white stitching, and some suede, and some other nice elements here. A touch of brushed aluminum. As you can see, that theme will continue throughout the entire interior of this Laramie. And once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these leather seats with your gray piping, suede insert, Laramie stitching, both heated and cooling here in the front. You will also have power adjustments on both the passenger and the driver's side. Additionally, here at All Things Automotive, you will find the multi-point inspection report located in the glove box of all of our vehicles. On this particular Ram, you can see all the tires are like new at 11/32 all the way around, and the brake pads are new as well, and everything else is green, checked off by our technicians. And guys, we do that so you don't have to put money into the wearables shortly after purchasing with All Things Automotive. Making our way into the back seat, obviously a crew cab, so your passengers are going to have plenty of space back here. And they'll also enjoy nice features like a flow-through center console, USB and USB-C charging with a 110 outlet, carpeted floor mats, storage on the backing of the seats, and you will have your ramp storage bins as well. Making our way around to the 5.5-foot bed, you will notice this Ram is equipped with a drop-in bed liner. You also have a rear camera with dual exhaust. Now, you don't have a hitch receiver installed on this Ram, but you do have your 4 and 7-pin wiring. You will notice this Ram is also equipped with LED tail lights. Coming up the driver's side here, fuel lid on your driver's side, passive door entry, again, heated mirrors. Then looking at some of your powered options here, up top you will have memory seating. You can set up to 2 profiles. Here you have power door locks, power windows, and power adjustable mirrors, and you will also have power folding. To the left of the steering wheel, you have brightness and dimming controls for your interior and cluster lighting, followed up with a general lamp selector. Here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience, and as you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, remote start, and panic. To the right of the steering wheel, you will have a push button start. So let's go ahead and confirm the mileage. Just under 20,000 miles on this Ram Laramie. And as far as steering wheel mounted controls are concerned, to the left you'll have a selector for your center screen, and you do have the capability to pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free. And to the right you'll have your cruise control selections with a manual gear select. Bringing our attention to the center display and infotainment system, up top you will have some unique storage with a 12-volt outlet. And as far as audio is concerned, you'll have your standard AM, FM, XM radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so smartphone integration, really nice. And as you can see, this Ram is equipped with onboard navigation. You even can control some of your comfort features here, such as your heated and cooling seats and your heated steering wheel. Down below, you have some simple radio controls here, followed up with your climate controls that we just went over, so you can access those on the screen or down below here on your hard buttons. Simple setup for the climate control down below. You will have traction control, tow haul mode, and then you will also have some storage down below with USB-C, USB, and an auxiliary for alternative audio. That will slide back, so you can kind of customize your space here in the center console. 2 cup holders, coin dispenser, some storage. You also have a spot for your phone there. You can hook your charger right up to that USB port, and that'll sit right down in there. To the left, you'll have your dial style selector with your 4-wheel drive selections and auto start and stop. If we push this forward, you will notice you do have a nice deep storage console here. You will have an upper compartment with a USB outlet and a lower compartment as well, which has really nice LED lighting. And bringing our attention up top, you will have integrated garage door openers. And right here you have all your map lights and assist SOS services. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and take a look under the hood. Under the hood, you will find a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi engine with your e-torque. As you can see, super clean, no evidence of exhaust leaks, oil leaks, or anything of that nature. No corrosion on the battery terminals or anything like that. Our crew always does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And along with that multi-point inspection, this Ram has received a fresh oil change, new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania State inspection. In the last portion of this video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this Ram. Keeping in mind that it's a pre-owned vehicle, none are perfect, but we do like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Starting in the front here, you will have some small stone chips and some light blemishes, so not perfect here on the front of the hood. As you can see, some minor cosmetic blemishes and imperfections. Here with the chrome and the grille insert, really good shape. Headlights are nice and clear, no cracks, no condensation. All the way down to your lower bumper here. All your grille inserts are in good shape. A little bit of wear and tear from the road here on the chrome. Coming around to your wheel and tire setup, no curb rash on that alloy wheel. All your chrome banding is in great shape. You are going to have some minor cosmetic blemishes here on the chrome portion of your mirror cap. And down below you have some scuffs and a little scuff here on your turn signal indicator. Coming around to the passenger side door, you will have some small scuffs here behind the door handle. Your door trim elements here on the outside, pretty clean. You will have slight discoloration up top and down at the bottom here. Looks like we have a paint chip right there. Passenger side door card here. You will have some scuffs and scratches and some slight discoloration down below. Blemish here on the leather armrest and up above your powered options. And then coming into the glove box area here, some of your trim pieces are going to have some scuffs and scratches as well. So let's take a look at the leather here. Really nice condition, no rip stains, tears, or anything like that. And your headliner is very clean and no odors. Super important here at All Things Automotive. Coming to the back door here, nice clean carpets, no scuffs on the backing of the seats. All your trim pieces around your flow-through center console here in your rear outlets. You will have some scuffs. Looking at the leather, great condition. Coming around to the 5.5-foot bed, let's take a look at these trim pieces on top of the bed rail. You are going to have some minor cosmetic blemishes, some scuffs, some scratches. Again, not perfect here, guys. You will have some imperfections here on passenger side bedside. No curb rash on that wheel. Tail lights are nice and clean, no cracks, no condensation, all the way down to your rear bumper, no dents or dings. You are going to have some minor cosmetic blemishes down below. Looks like something, I don't know if we can get that off there, but I just want to let you guys know that that does exist. Some paint chips here, a couple other minor blemishes up top on your tailgate, the trim piece. As you can see, this bed was used. You can see some, looks like some leftover paint that we could not remove. And keep in mind, guys, these vehicles are priced accordingly, and we want to be upfront and transparent here. Some more touch-up spots and paint chips, so not perfect here, guys. Some scuffs here. And then all the way to your driver door handle, pretty clean. You will have a slight scuff just right behind. Looking inside of the driver door card, small scuffs and scratches. Leather is in good condition though. You will have some minor cosmetic blemishes, some speckles there. If you have any questions on this Ram, give us a call at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224. Hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, you can shop online 24/7 at allthingsautomotive.com. And guys, make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage because this Ram will qualify. So we hope to see you guys at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name is Trent. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.